Welcome to Car Key Locksmith Bethesda. Do you always forget your keys? Having a trouble with your car lock? Is your baby locked in car? Don't be stressed. Call Car Locksmith Bethesda, Maryland today, as we are setting the pace that others should follow in offering car key replacement. Customers' satisfaction is our first priority. We are a 24-hour emergency service that caters to all you auto locksmith needs, no matter where you are. 24/7 on-site services. We also provide you with a wide selection of products with our convenient service and affordable price options. So call us to enjoy our offers. www.carkeylocksmithbethesda.com 240-329-0548